This is a review of the Newbie wired over earphones headphones that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to unbox these headphones to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are also going to pretty much show you guys and pretty much do a little test on these headphones. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I tested these headphones out, and I do want to say they are extremely comfortable. The headphones themselves are really comfortable. Not just that, but they are 180 degrees rotatable as well too. The ear muffs themselves can move around however you want it. This on here goes up and down however you want it to. So if your head size larger, it could go up. If it's smaller, you could adjust it however you want. So that's one cool thing. But other than that, the product itself, it feels really like a high quality leather. It has a good feel to it. It feels very nice. And most important thing when it comes to headphones is that how it feels when you wear it on. Depending on how many hours you wear it on, it may get uncomfortable. These on the other hand, so far I tested it out, it feels really comfortable. It's really like a plush material that's super soft, and it really doesn't bother you, which is very important when it comes to headphones. Then right here you get different audio jacks and inputs and outputs to however you're wanting to do it. So the purpose of these headphones is that if you're doing any podcast, you may need these wires as well too. If you're doing a guitar, you may need these wires as well too. Any type of podcast you may need it as well too, or any type of thing you're trying to do, you may need it. So it comes with different sizes of audio jacks and inputs and outputs depending how you want it. And keep in mind this is wired, but the most important factor about this all is if the comfortability. This is definitely comfortable. I tested it out, and it fits on my head as well too, because it's adjustable from the left side and the right side, so that's a huge plus on that. But yeah, I absolutely love these headphones. If you're looking for some headphones that have a good quality to it, then these headphones from Newbie is probably one of the best ones to get because of the fact that it's adjustable. It has different inputs and outputs and audio jacks to however you're liking it. So if you're trying to do some guitar, you can use it for that. If it's a podcast, you can use it for that. Or if you're trying to play piano, you can use it for that as well too. So it has different multi factor, like pretty much you could use it for pretty much anything. It comes with all the wired, the wires you need to do anything of your piano, guitar, or anything like that. But yeah, I absolutely love this product. I would definitely recommend it. Sound quality wise is really, I just tested it out. It feels very nice as well too. It has a good bass to it and also a good tone to it as well too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these headphones if you're looking for good clarity, good sound, and comfortability. Then these are probably one of the best ones that you could get.